Hey guys, welcome back. Wanted to share with you today. This is one I ran into. I've got a couple of the original Titanus that I'm working on today. Uh, what I ran into, I've got three here that I'm actually checking out, and I put fresh batteries in it. This one in particular, I've already broken it apart. Let's see, 8 screws to take it apart to get to the actual motor drive on it for the wheels. And what I ran into, they were really tight, but I wasn't getting anything from it at all when I put fresh batteries in it. And like an idiot, it took me forever to remember where the on and off switch was on it. But still, yet I didn't have anything. So what I wanted to show you today was actually how to disassemble this one. I took it apart, checked it out, didn't find anything wrong. I left fresh batteries in it for a minute. Apparently, it got warmed up and it actually started running. It was a little slow, but then it's gradually picked up. It's working great now. But just wanted to try and show you. I guess I'll have to freehand this instead of using my usual setup. But the first screws that you're going to want to take apart to get this out from under it, there are two screws right here on the arm mechanism that rotates. They are, let's see here. Focus in like that, small Phillips. You take both these out. Got one on this side right here, got one on the other side. Pop those loose, and then you have, if I'm not mistaken, there's 5 or 6 underneath. It's a little harder to do. Like I said, I've already got this one disassembled. The next ones you'll take out, there are 6 actually. Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You pop those out, and the next thing that we're going to do on this is right here. Just gently scoot these back off of the wheels. Let's see, kind of hard to do one-handed, but this whole thing lifts off. The whole mechanism, the motors, the wheels, all of it. Give me just a second. Let me pause this. Okay, I got the wheels loose. Like I said, it's a little hard to do one-handed. But this whole mechanism sets out of here, which is great. It makes it really easy to get to check things out. And this is what we got going on here. It's a pretty simple setup. Like I said, this one was giving me some problems. Like I said, you've got your motor right here. Got your contacts for your battery box here. Your on and off switch is just a simple push-pull setup. Let me move this out of the way. We'll flip this one. Like I said, I got nothing for this one. I was actually figuring on having to take apart one and swap out a new motor for it, but actually it's gradually gotten a little faster. It's working great now, actually. But just wanted to share that one with you today. If you need to inspect this, check things out, see if you've got any corrosion. I've got another one here that's got some seriously bad corrosion on it. I may do a video on it next, actually just open it up to see what we've got inside. But that way, if you need to clean any of the contacts, you can get to that. Or if you've got a bad switch or a motor that's gone bad, this is actually a pretty simple setup. If you've got bad electronics on this one, you could actually change it out pretty easy. But I appreciate you watching. Just wanted to share this with you guys. You know, if you like what you saw today, comment, follow the page, subscribe. We're going to try and get some more videos out here in the next little bit and look at some more stuff. Thanks, guys.